Hi there, my name's Tom Neill and I compose music for Blackeyed Theatre's production Not About Heroes. You start in three places when you're starting to write music for the theatre. Now you have to decide what your instrumental forces are. I decided on those instruments because I wanted, and then you have also the extended techniques associated with string instruments, and that for me is what makes the cello a very versatile and a very mature instrument. How do you decide where you're going to put music? So when you get around the table, your stage designer might say, you want to stay on top of your work, so what I like to do is write down, and if you don't, certainly from my experience, you just get confused. I'm just going to take you through three music cues to show you, and I wanted to represent these musically, these thoughts pinging into his head. We're going to skip on to 45, page 45, and so now we're on page 57, and this is the last cue I'll take you through. It's the heat here that I'm evoking with this music cue, and this is very simple. That's it. Good luck.